Good morning, dear children. So we are continuing our map work in this class also. So today we will discuss, that means today we will learn the important energy resources, especially coal mines, coal fields, then oil fields, etc. on the map. Okay, so let us start. Before going to locate and label the important mines excavating this coal, let us discuss what are the types of different types of coal. Here you can see the four different types of coal in this picture. Okay, there are four different types of coal. They are known as anthracite, bituminous, peat, and lignite. Okay, so according to the carbon content, it is divided into four. That means anthracite is the high quality coal. That means about 90, more than 90 percentage, up to 98 percentage carbon is in this anthracite type of coal. Okay, it is also known as hard coal. This is anthracite. The next variety is bituminous coal. About 60 to 80 percentage carbon is found in this bituminous coal. Okay, here in this anthracite up to 98 percentage, more than 90 to 98 percentage carbon is seen. Then about lignite, about 60 to 70 percentage carbon, that is lignite. It is known as brown coal. Bituminous is known as black coal. Okay, and the least carbon content is found in peat. Actually, this peat is used by the people living near the coal mines for cooking purposes. Okay, so because the less amount of carbon content, due to this less amount or least amount of carbon content in peat, it is not at all having a very good industrial purpose. Okay, so these other three types, anthracite, bituminous, and lignite, are the important varieties of coal as they have a high amount of carbon. So these are the different varieties of coal. Actually, where this coal is used for, do you know? Yes, energy. It is the main purpose of coal, both for domestic as well as industrial purpose. Okay, so let us start to label some important coal fields and coal mines on the outline map. There are mainly four important coal mines in India. Very important coal mines are four. Okay, so let us start one by one. First among them is Raniganj coal mine. Okay, Raniganj coal mine is situated in West Bengal. Can you label that state here in this outline map? Where it is, in the east or in the west? Yes, it is in the eastern side. Okay, this is West Bengal. So Raniganj coal mine is situated in West Bengal. So we are going to label that Raniganj. So Raniganj is somewhat here in West Bengal, not at all this border portion. So this is Raniganj. Okay, so Raniganj of West Bengal. Then another two important coal mines are there nearby state in Jharkhand, Bokaro and Charia. Okay, so Bokaro is situated here, and Jharia is also very close to Bokaro. So this is Bokaro and this is Jharia. Both are situated in Jharkhand. Okay, so the another important coal mine in India is Neyveli coal. Actually, lignite is mined from this Neyveli coal mines. So, Neyveli is situated in Tamil Nadu. So, we can label this Neyveli here in the eastern coast of Tamil Nadu. So, this is Neyveli. Okay, so these are the major coal mines in India. Raniganj of West Bengal, then Jharia and Bokaro of uh, Jharkhand, then Neyveli coal mine of Tamil Nadu. Another very important one is also there. I forgot to name that. That is Talcher. Okay, so Talcher is situated in Odisha. So Talcher is somewhat here in Odisha. So this is Talcher. Okay, so Raniganj, West Bengal, Chharia and Bokaro of Jharkhand, then Talcher in Odisha, and Neyveli in Tamil Nadu. These are the five important coal mines in India. Okay, are you okay with this? Clear? Okay, fine. Next, we are moving on to label and locate the important oil fields in India. Okay, so let us start. There are six major oil field, that is oil excavating centers in India. Because I am dividing them into sort into three important groups, that means on the basis of the state in which they belong to. Okay, so first and foremost, the leading producer of petroleum products in India, it is done in Bombay High or Mumbai High. Okay, it is the largest producer of petroleum in India. About 63 percentage of petroleum is extracted from this Bombay High. Actually, it is an offshore drilling platform. The platform's name is Sagar Samrat. It is located in Arabian Sea, very close to Bombay. It is 160 kilometers away from Bombay. So it is located here, very close to Bombay. Okay, so in the east western coast of Maharashtra, this is Bombay High. It is the major oil producing region, oil excavating or extracting a region in India. Very close to this Mumbai High, another important oil well is there, Basin. Very close to this Mumbai High. Okay, so that is Basin. So both are under Maharashtra. Then another two important producers of petroleum is in Gujarat. Okay, so they are Ankleshwar. Ankleshwar, it is in the southern part of Gujarat here. This is Ankleshwar. Then another important producer of oil, petroleum in Gujarat is Kalol. Okay, Kalol is here. So Ankleshwar and Kalol both are in Gujarat. This Bombay High and Basin, yes, in Maharashtra. And the first and foremost oil drilling area, oil well in India is Digboy. It is the oldest oil well or oil petroleum producing region in India. So Digboy is located in Assam. So here you can see Assam, this T-shaped state. Okay, so Assam Digboy is situated somewhat here. Okay, is it clear? Just Digboy. Then another important oil producing region in Assam is Nagarhatia. Okay, Nagarhatia is somewhat very south of this Digboy. Okay, so these two are located in Assam, Ankleshwar and Kalol in Gujarat, then Basin and Bombay High in Maharashtra. So these are the three important sites. Actually, there are six important oil fields in India. The oldest one, Digboy, and very close to Digboy, another one is there in Assam itself, that is Nagarhatia. Then about Maharashtra, the Mumbai High and Basin, they are two offshore drilling regions. Then another two important oil producing region is in Gujarat, that is Ankleshwar and Kalol. Okay, is it clear? So shall we move on to the another? So the next we are moving on to the natural gas excavating regions. Okay, natural gas reserves in India. Actually, it is most probably it is associated with petroleum reserves. Okay, so in Mumbai High and Basin region, we have it is a major natural gas reserve. Then in the Gulf of Kambe or Kambat, this is Gulf of Kambat in Gujarat. Okay, so that is also another important natural gas reserve in India, here in Bombay High or Mumbai High, then Gulf of Campe, and also uh, in Andaman and Nicobar Islands we have another important natural gas reserve. So these are the important natural gas producing areas. So another important peculiarity of this energy resources is that we have a very longest pipeline which carry this natural gas from the production center to the other areas where it is needed. Okay, it is known as HVJ natural gas pipeline. So let us learn some important things about HVJ natural gas pipeline. So you can see three important places are labeled here: Hazira, Vijaypur and Jagadishpur. So Hazira in Gujarat, then Vijaypur in Madhya Pradesh and Jagadishpur in Uttar Pradesh. So that is HVJ natural gas pipeline. Okay, is it clear? So here you can see the pipeline with, So this pipeline is starting from Hajra. It is the coastal area in Gujarat, and it is moving on to Vijaypur, connecting Vijaypur and Jagadishpur, and also it reaches Haryana, that Sonipat region in Haryana. All these places connected by this particular HVJ natural gas pipeline are industrial centers. Important industries are located in and around the regions of this natural gas pipeline. So that is why it is supplementing. This is yes, supplementing this natural gas to the essential industries needed by. Okay, so all these things you have to locate and label on the outline map today itself. It is very important. Please do itself today itself by yourself. Okay. So I am winding here today's class. Please do it today itself. Please. If you find any difficulty with this, you can call me. And it is also very clear from the textbook that is given very clearly here in the textbook, also on the map. Okay, if you find any difficulty, you can call me or contact me. Okay, children. Thank you.